Page 59, picking a different technique. Okay, we've been doing mostly alternate picking all the time. I'll read what it says here. Picking a different technique. The principle is to attack each new string with a downstroke. This technique is older than alternate picking and is less emphasized lately, but is really another way to pick eighth notes or to pick fast or to get a different type of phrasing. It is another step, as Bill puts it, in right hand control, and when mastered is very fast, especially in ascending and in arpeggios. What it is mostly our rest stroke, and just to continue with it. Instead of going, let's say we have a C chord, instead of going C, the principle of it is to go, see? That's with arpeggios, that's the easy part. The next part is to do it in scales. Anytime you come to a new string, you do a downstroke. Instead of, you can do, you see, it's like the gravity pushing your hand down. People use this technique when they practice scales. They practice scales, and we'll be doing this another time, but just to show you, they practice scales with 3 notes on a string. If we started with a downstroke, I'm going to play this. Actually, that's a G scale. What I'm going to do is make sure there are 3 notes on each string. To switch positions, but just to show you. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. We'll be doing more of this. Let's look at the exercise in the C scale, open position. That's the principle. Look at my right hand while I play this. One, two, three, four. As it says on the bottom of the page, we've been playing this picking technique in a number of different places just by following the music and the picking that's shown in some of our exercises, as on page 48 in measure 20. Go back and look at that. It's under the endurance etude. This picking will be suggested in different pieces, especially arpeggiated pieces in the following pages in the book. But also, please remember, the most important one to get together is alternate picking. It gives you strength that you can do mostly anything and skip to anywhere you want when you're playing eighth notes, 16th notes, quarter notes, whatever music you're playing. It really gives you a feel of where the guitar is, and it gives you very good, clean technique. So we'll be playing both of these types of picking in the following pages.